sweetheart. Hello, sweetheart. What you doing? You ready to get out of here? So we see what we can do? Let's see what we can do, baby girl. Okay. But she got a bit grumpy when I tried to coax her to her feet. So we're going to go with the plan B. Well, let her get it. Let's get her out of the woods first. We need to get her in the car with it. Come on, Annabelle. Oh, I'm sorry, baby. Yeah, that's something going on with that back leg. Come on, the food's this way. The food's this way. Come on, girlfriend. Good job. Good job. Yay. Don't let her eat but about half of it, because she hasn't eaten much. It's going to be bad on her tummy. Let her eat about half of it, though. Good girl. Atta girl. Oh, my goodness. Let's see if I can see. Doesn't look like, yeah, but it doesn't look like anything horribly serious.
Hey, darling. Hey, darling.
Come here, sweetie. I know, you hear Clyde? You do? You do hear him? There I am. There I am. Hey. I know. We'll get some more groceries in a minute. Treats. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. We're getting meatballs. Good girl. Good girl, Halo. Right here. Come on. Come on, Hans. There you go. There you go. Hey, baby girl. I see you making a friend. Okay. Come on. Good job. I know. We'll get ice cream before we go home. Have a fry. They're cool. Not very healthy, baby girl. All right, good girl. Come on. Come on. Hey, I'm right here. Good job. Good job. Oh, and she's gone.
Paws. Oh. What's that? What's that? Oh, good girl. Can I see? Ma'am, let me see and I'll feed you one. Oh, they're everywhere.